today in this session of class 12 business studies, we will be going to see the point of differences between the recruitment and the selection. So when we are going through the point of differentiation, we will be able to recapitulate these two topics up to a certain extent. Okay, so there are various bases of difference on which we will be going to discuss these two concepts, that is recruitment and selection. I have drafted the chart for you, that is the difference between recruitment and selection on the basis of some points. Okay, so it is said that when we are talking about the difference on the basis of the meaning of these two things. Okay, so recruitment, it is a process of searching the candidate. Okay, we are searching the candidates and inducing that candidates or stimulating that candidate to apply for the particular job in the organization. So it is a process of searching the candidate and stimulating that candidate to apply for a job. On the same hand, selection, it is a process of choosing the eligible candidate among those candidates who have applied for the job. ये वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम एक सूटेबल और एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट का सिलेक्शन करते हैं, उन्हीं कैंडिडेट्स में से जिनको हमने कॉल किया था रिक्रूटमेंट के प्रोसेस. What is the process? When we are talking about the process, this is very simple process. Recruitment is a very simple process. There are no tests conducted. इसमें कोई टेस्ट नहीं होते हैं. There is no need for you to pass on any test. So this is a very simple process. Only you have to send your application in the organization and you have to apply for a particular job. Selection is a complex process because there are various steps of selection, and each and every candidate who has been called for the process of selection, they have to pass on each and every step of selection process. So there are number of tests also which are being conducted, and the candidate has to pass each and every test. Then only he will be selected. Okay. Nature, it is a positive process. Recruitment, it is said to be a positive process. Why it is called a positive process? Because in this process we are calling the maximum candidates to apply for the job in the organization. So the call is being given to the maximum candidate by making the use of the various sources of recruitment to apply for the job in the organization. That's why it is known as a positive process, and it is a negative process. Selection is a negative process because in this what we are doing, now we are eliminating the candidates who are not suitable for a particular job. So those candidates are being eliminated step by step in the selection test. So that's why it is known as a negative process. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, रिक्रूटमेंट में ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को कॉल किया जा रहा है और सिलेक्शन में से फिर उन्हीं में से जो सुटेबल नहीं है उनको हटाते हुए हम कम से कम कैंडिडेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. Stage, recruitment, it is the first stage. It is not an end. The ultimate aim of the recruitment is to select the right candidate. So this is the very first stage where your aim is to call those candidates and then select the right candidate from amongst the called candidates. Selection, it is the second stage. It starts where the recruitment ends. So when the recruitment work is over, then we start the various process or related with the selection of the employee. Then comes motive. The motive of recruitment is to call more and more is to call more and more candidate to apply for the job. The motive of recruitment. And the motive of selection is to eliminate the unsuitable candidate. Okay, the selection, it is a process of eliminating the candidate. So all the candidates who are not suitable for performing a particular job, those candidates are being eliminated at every stage of selection process. Okay, so this is their motive is to eliminate the unsuitable candidate. So by going through these points of differences, now we can clearly understood the two concepts, that is what is recruitment and what is selection. Thank you and have a nice day.